The Discover module in Augmentt gives you insight into shadow IT and overall SaaS usage. In order to collect this data, you will need to deploy the Augmentt Discovery Agent first. To download the Discovery Agent, navigate to Discover and then Agent. The Discovery Agent can be installed on your client's devices either manually, through a GPO push, or it can be distributed through a remote monitoring and management tool or other software distribution tool like Microsoft Endpoint Manager. The Discovery Agent is not customer specific. You can use the same file for multiple customers. However, you will have to plug in the customer's unique license key to make sure the SaaS data is associated with the proper customer account. Once you have downloaded the agent and copied the customer license key, you can begin the deployment process. There's a knowledge base article with the different deployment methods. Whether you decide to use PowerShell, command line, or deployment tool, you can find the information you need for deployment in the knowledge base. The Augmentt Discovery Agent can be pushed out silently with the license key pre-filled to ensure that there is no end-user disruption during installation. After installing the Augmentt Discovery Agent, it will start reporting back SaaS activity immediately. You may find that the approval status, risk, or productivity scores that are pre-generated may not fit your client's needs. To edit these items, navigate to the App Catalog. Once you are in the App Catalog, you can edit existing applications. This can be done globally or per tenant. You also have the ability to add additional applications for the Discovery Agent to monitor.